أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
فلما جهزهم بجهازهم جعل السقاية في رحل أخيه ثم أذن مؤذن أيتها العير إنكم لسارقون.
Then, when he provided them with their provisions, he placed the drinking cup in his brother's saddle-bag. Then an announcer called out, "O people of the caravan, you are thieves."
قالوا وأقبلوا عليهم ماذا تفقدون.
They said, as they came towards them, "What are you missing?"
قالوا نفقد صواع الملك ولمن جاء به حمل بعير وأنا به زعيم.
They said, "We are missing the king's goblet. Whoever brings it will have a camel load, and I personally guarantee it."
قالوا تالله لقد علمتم ما جئنا لنفسد في الأرض وما كنا سارقين.
They said, "By Allah, you know we did not come to cause trouble in the land, and we are not thieves."
قالوا فما جزاؤه إن كنتم كاذبين.
They said, "What shall be his punishment, if you are lying?"
قالوا جزاؤه من وجد في رحله فهو جزاؤه كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
They said, "His punishment, if it is found in his bag, he will belong to you. Thus we penalize the guilty."
فبدأ بأوعيتهم قبل وعاء أخيه ثم استخرجها من وعاء أخيه كذلك كدنا ليوسف ما كان ليأخذ أخاه في دين الملك إلا أن يشاء الله نرفع درجات من نشاء وفوق كل ذي علم عليم.
So he began with their bags, before his brother's bag. Then he pulled it out of his brother's bag. Thus we devised a plan for Joseph. He could not have detained his brother under the king's law, unless Allah so willed. We elevate by degrees whomever we will, and above every person of knowledge, there is one more learned.